Average overseas trip cost is $4,000 per visitor. Assuming normal distribution and standard deviation is 810. If we select a random sample of 40 overseas trips, what is probably that the mean cost is greater than 4,100? Notice we're talking about 40 overseas trips. So the question becomes, are we talking about one whatever, one trip? Are we talking about many whatevers, many trips? We're talking about many trips. We're talking about 40 of them, to be specific. So we're going to use these functions here. Okay, so let's write down everything we're given. The mean is 4,000. Standard deviation is 810, and n is 40, because we're talking about 40 trips. And we're looking at probability that x is greater than 4,100. Greater than case is right here, so A is whatever follows your greater than. So A equals 4,100. Plug into this form right here. So equals 1 minus norm dist A, which is 4,100, comma mean, 4,000, comma standard deviation, which is 810, divided by square root of n, square root of 40, comma true. Move our decimal point 2 places right, put in percent form and round, and we'd have 21.75%.